Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Am I audible to you? Just let me know. Can you hear me, traders? Hello Vaishnavi, welcome to live stream. Please tell me, please confirm if I'm audible to you guys. Market is about to open in another 10 minutes, let's say. Hello Rohit Reddy sir, welcome to live stream. Okay. Good evening. Yeah, good evening everyone. Now quickly I'll start discussing about what I think about the market. Meanwhile, whoever has not yet liked the video, please do that. We'll wait for another 2 minutes. Let others join. Balaji, waiting for you, sir. Okay, cool. Govindraj, sir, hello. How are you, sir? Not that great. Little, little things are going on. But anyways, I had to deviate my mind, so rather I have come live. All right. Those of you who joined the live stream now, support the channel by liking the video. Let me quickly start discussing about what I feel about the market. Okay. Now let me take you to this 30 minutes time frame chart of BTC. Okay. This is 30 minutes time frame chart. Here you can see I've drawn a trend line because continuously this has been acting as a resistance level in the market. Okay. And below this I've drawn this level because in the past this is where market started bouncing, and next you can see market was within a range, but quickly when did market trap people? By giving a breakdown here. So the big movement happened in the market at this zone. After that it has just been trading within a range without giving any big movement. And this upper range I have marked because you can see in the past this area was acting as continuous resistance. Market broke this level, hunted all the stop loss of anyone who's taken random put option trade at this resistance. After hunting their stop loss itself, this resistance, it should have ideally acted as support, but it did not. Market slowly started moving towards the downside. So next, if the sellers who are here, you can see continuously this 30 minutes time frame, please be aware of this. This 30 minutes time frame who push the market like this, maybe there is a chance for them to re-enter at the upper level if market moves up to hunt the stop loss of these people. Okay, there might be a lot of things I've spoken right now, but it's not complicated. Let me switch to 3 minutes time frame. In this you can see first we will learn how to mark these levels. Now you see this is where sellers started putting pressure in the market, right? They push the market continuously down. I feel these sellers are strong. In case these sellers are strong, if market moves up to hunt the stop loss of these people, maybe at this zone it might give a breakout or something like that and market can correct. Okay, this is why this is the highest level which I have marked. Now let's say market doesn't want to hunt the stop loss of people on top. Then what it can do, maybe it can move up, right? Give a breakout, attract some people, and from this zone it can correct. So this is resistance 1. At the upper level I should write that is resistance 2. Now I will be very much bearish in case market goes below this supporting zone. Now let me switch to 1 hour time frame. Just have a look at that. Continuously this is acting as support. Now here, when if this is acting as support, market is kind of moving towards the upside, then what might happen is buyers might think, okay, previously what happened, there's the support, market moved up, this was the support, market moved up, so now again from here market can move towards the upside. So maybe without giving them a bigger target, expectation is it might give a breakout, attract more people and correct. Okay, so this is the correcting zone what I'm thinking about first. So one bearish trade if market goes above this level is what I'm planning. Till now whatever I have said, is it clear for you guys? Please let me know in the comment section. First like from me. Thanks Balaji sir. Ranjit Babu. Hello sir. Mahesh Rayan. Welcome to the live stream. Good evening. Rokesh. Welcome. Crypto market record 2 billion liquidation. Yeah, many people is going. 1 second traders, I'll be back. Before I come back, please mark this resistance, resistance and this trend line on your chart also and keep, so that it will be easy for you. Expectation is market can move up, give a breakout here, again it can give another breakout. If you look at global market, what is happening, let's say I go to here, Dow Jones is negative, rest of the things is not yet open, so people will be having bearish mindset. So maybe expectation is market can move towards the upside, create more, hunt all the weak players stop loss, attract more buyers and later correct. Okay, this is the view. Please mark all these levels in your chart and keep. 2 minutes, I'll be back maximum. Meanwhile, who has not liked the video, please do that by liking and subscribing to the channel. Just now traders, tell me, is the view clear for you guys? Quickly tell me, traders, so that you know this is around 800 points. Okay, if I'm planning for any trade here, 800 points is, I told you right, expectation is okay, market can first move up, remove weak players and later correct. So if this is the first plan which I'm planning to take, risk reward is good for the trade, but still 800 points, should we take the risk is something which we will think about. All right, please see in daily time frame, 1 day. In 1 day time frame, what you can see, this area is acting as resistance, breakout failure, again breakout, again this area is acting as resistance, market has corrected. So at the upper end, liquidation is getting created on a daily basis. If you see, this is a range bound market, but range bound market is not like Nifty, Bank Nifty, right? The range bound is movement is very high. So today, just today alone, how much movement the market has done? From 7:30 itself, it has made close to 4,500 points. So anyways, we have trading in the futures market, so that is kind of okay for us. AK Zone, hello, welcome to the live stream. What is the trade timing for BTC? BTC 24/7. Anytime you want, you can trade. Expectation is market can go up, or liquidity it can create at this bottom. Again, it can go up. Two possibilities is there as we speak. But we will see. Let's not jump into any trade or anything as of now, because if market corrects up to this zone, means if I enter here, I'll get into trouble. So we have to look into that also first. Dow Jones around 1.25%. This will take some time to come, around 820, 810. We'll see, traders. Okay. Do live stream for at least 2 hours. Traders, even I badly want to do live stream for more than 2 hours, but situation is like that, traders. What to do? See, once I'm back from Singapore, definitely I will be doing live stream for longer duration. Don't worry about that. Just give me some buffer time until then. See, here market has given a breakout, and expectation is it might attract little more people by continuously moving towards the upside. Only problem for this trade is the risk reward. Let's say you enter here also. This is the stop loss, means 500 600 points, but for that you can get around 1300 points. After removing all these people, no other stop loss hunting level on top, so market can kind of correct from the upper level. Okay, so this is the zone. If you want to take a bullish trade, let it go little above this. I'll just take a small quantity, and I'm going to place very small stop loss for this trade. Okay, just to capture in case the market moves towards the upside to remove weak players. The first setup can give us a decent target. So here you can see we have taken the trade. I've kept a very small stop loss. I'm going to keep the stop loss even lower. Just that you see this level market has broken. Now here also, if it starts breaking and going, maybe up to this zone, I'll keep trailing the stop loss. I will not keep bigger stop loss for bullish trade, because my view is mostly market will turn bearish. I don't know how soon it will turn, but possibility of turning bearish is high. So quickly, whatever movement we are able to capture on the bullish side, we'll try to capture that and go. Okay, so spike, any spike and all comes towards the downside, it will take stop loss. All those things I'm not worrying right now. Only thing is this bullish trade we have to try to capture. That's all is the idea. See, now I've come almost cost to cost. So from here, little more trailing. This is the zone. Now breakout market has given this breakout. Let it move. If it comes reverse and it's my stop loss, no problem. This one I'm not going to keep target. I'm just going to trail this existing, how much ever bullish movement I'm able to capture, I'll capture that and go. Already $30. Now all this upside move, okay, anyways, around $25 in the first trade. I don't know who took trade along with me. So my expectation, I said no, this is the first resistance area. From here market can reverse, because all attraction at this zone, people has taken bearish trade. To enter stop loss, market expectation is it will move towards the upside. I cannot enter placing my stop loss at the bottom. So as soon as I got this breakout, we tried to capture some decent move. Okay, so how much move was it? Around, I think 240. Yeah, see, from this zone close to 900 points. Okay, so quick scalping. Now at the upper zone we will see, because I want to know if these sellers are strong. This breakout, they will make it as a failure. They will not allow the market to go higher than this. So at the upper level, I'll be looking for any bearish trade. Give me some time to analyze. SL hit means okay, trailing SL only. No, we have taken already $24 made in the first trade. Quick scalping. Now traders, from here only market will correct, or from the upper level it, after giving breakout here I wanted to correct. We will see about that. Directly here I don't want to enter. If I enter also, stop loss, I cannot give the swing high. Okay, my stop loss has to be, let's say, short position. My stop loss has to be above this. Sorry, my stop loss has to be above this, and my entry will be here. For this, my target is very big. So instead of entering here, my plan is to wait until this area, let market go up to that zone. At that upper zone, any bearish trade I get, we will initiate the second trade. See, the first trade I said no, stop loss hunting, market will do at this level, this level, this level. This breakout only, I feel it is just to give confidence for call option traders. Sorry, bullish traders. And expectation is it will give a breakout, attract some people, but this breakout and all might not sustain. Second opportunity from the upper level we might get. Okay, so that time stop loss for the trade will be small, target can be big. That is what I'll be planning next. First trade you missed, okay, no problem. What is that? Because that was a very quick trade which I took. It will not hunt SL till 91,185. 91,185. Okay. Even though I'm having a bearish view, I want market to go up to this level, later correct, because that is a sensible place for me to plan my entry, not at the current zone. Okay, I'll wait for that opportunity. Let it come. Many people's view will be, after all this breakout, to take a bullish trade. I usually trade opposite. That is where I'll get a small stop loss and bigger target for my trade. So I'm gonna plan that itself right now. See, my expectation was, if this green candle what formed, we took the trade, right? Directly, if it had broken this level, quickly I would have planned my exit, and immediately bearish trade I would have taken. But little correction, but we are trailing the stop loss and going, no, that's okay. Took bearish trade and waiting. Okay. See, let me switch to 3 minutes time frame. You guys see this? This breakout, or if market comes here, expectation is people who are sold on top, they would have already made profit. Targeting them is very difficult. I don't know if market from this zone only it will correct, or it will go higher and correct. If it goes higher, trend can continue. So US market is also is kind of bearish only. My expectation is, after hunting stop loss towards the upside, market can move towards the downside. So with that logic, I'll just wait for my levels. Breakout kind of we have got right now, little more higher. Will market trap these people and all those things by making a very big up move? I don't know. But here little, if market has to continue the downtrend, it has to do somewhere at the zone. So little confidence if I get on the sell side, reasonable entry for my trade. I've taken this trade right now because stop loss for this trade is very small. I'll scroll down. This is my attempt on the bearish side. Okay, so I will see if market is going to prove me wrong or not. I've explained the logic already. All this movement might be to remove weak put option trader stop loss. After that, if market decides, okay, I want to move down, right, bigger movement towards the downside, I will be able to capture. For that small stop loss, if I have to give, I have no problem with this. Okay. In my view, it might touch 97,000. Okay, no problem. Uh, as of now, for me, I feel to take a bearish trade, you see what is the risk I'm giving? Around 500 points. And in return, I'm trying to capture 1500, 1700 points. For me, taking that 500 points risk at this market situation, I feel okay, because from this zone, if market corrects off so much, okay, fine. But after that, if the trend also continues, then bigger target possibility is there. So keeping all this in mind, I'll take the risk. Too much it should not hold here. That's one issue. Oh, Manju sir, you have told 97,000. My stop loss is 96,970 range. Okay. Uh, okay. For me, ideally, it's not looking like a problem right now for the trade. I can see some sellers pressure here. If I don't take this trade, no, I'll miss the opportunity. That's the problem. Ilan sir, hello. Welcome to the live stream. I saw your message just now. Around 64 people watching the live stream, only 27 likes. Come on, traders, support the channel. After liking the video, just come to the comment section and mention your name. Top 5 names I will announce. From here, if market starts moving towards the upside, okay, and it's taking support, let's say 236 level support, it is holding, moving towards the upside, I'm okay to give the stop loss. Next entry, I will look for one more opportunity and I will take. But this seems like a sensible entry for me at the current zone. If seller starts putting pressure from here, one big red candle which breaks this low, easily this target can be achieved. Okay, so Manju sir, thank you. Welcome. Thank you for liking the live stream. Economic data as of now, everything that you see is bearish here. US market sentiment is bearish. When US market opened, when it started to move towards the upside, people might have had some confusion. Some people would have taken bullish trade also. Even we took that, trailed the stop loss, captured $24 there, exited. Now If this move was just to hunt the stop loss, then market, if it moves towards the downside at least up to this zone, later change it to sideways or it continues the downtrend, in both the cases for me it will be a better one itself. So just holding on to this range is a problem, nothing can be done. Liked and entered the live stream. Thank you so much, sir, for your support. Vikas, thank you so much, sir. Arun, sir, thank you for liking the live stream. See, one understanding for me here is market gave a breakout here, gave one more breakout, attracted people. Again, one more breakout if it gives, if it without trapping people who entered at this breakout, then even they will make easy profit. So to remove random buyers from the market has to correct. Some people might have kept this area as support. So from here when it corrects, by then maybe I will trail off the stop loss for the trade. Market going as per your analysis, okay. Kalpana madam, thank you so much for liking the live stream. Thank you for your support. Now traders, anyone who entered along with me, if you are worried about the trade, bring off your stop loss to cost. Okay. From the time we have entered, market has given, oh, I entered here, okay, 500 points move. So this 500 points is fine. Your view is correct, okay. We will see traders. Risk reward was proper for the trade. Setup after attracting buyers, market can correct. That was my expectation. So if it goes as per our view, then it is good for us only. Ideally, from here it should not break off this level. That is the only thing. So as long as it doesn't break that level. Anyways, here it has not formed M pattern, I feel. Breakout, correction, upside breakout. People got attracted here. All their stop loss is at the bottom. To hunt the stop loss, slowly market can correct. Okay. This I am saying based on price action, stop loss hunting, these concept. But if market is moving based on the data, what you guys are seeing, I don't give importance to those data because it will create more confusion. If you read the data incorrectly, then it's a problem itself for us. So can you brief why your view is bearish? Okay. Already 2-3 times I have told, no problem. Since you have asked me, I'll tell one more time. You see, this is the trend line, resistance, resistance, resistance. Now market this candle breakout when it gave. Here one trend line is there, right? Here people would have entered bearish trade. This upside move I feel is to hunt their stop loss. Now after hunting their stop loss, when market starts moving little more towards the upside, you see here, some people will not think this move is to hunt the stop loss. Rather they will think, okay, I got a breakout here, one more breakout, all this breakout, trend line breakout. So here more buyers also are getting attracted. So if buyers enter, if you are a buyer, if you enter, where do you keep your stop loss? Here, here, here. So directly if market moves up, the buyer will make easy profit. So expectation is market can correct a bit. So during that correction, whatever movement we have, if it goes up to this zone, I'll trail off my stop loss to maximum, and this additional move I'll be able to capture. In case if it reverse and hits the stop loss, just like the first trade, anyways first trade we have made that entry, we made around $24 there. So that profit we will use here, that's all. So I'm not entering based on breakout, breakdown, no traders. I'm just doing opposite of what many people are thinking to do. So when it goes opposite to, if the trend continues, many people will be right. If they are right, they'll make profit, but my stop loss is very small. But if they are wrong, I am right, then I'll be capturing bigger movement than them. That's all. Just thinking opposite. AJ, thank you, sir. There are certain people still watching the live stream without liking the video. So come on, traders, support the channel. Your like and subscription motivates me to make regular live videos like this. Of course, this is looking like a bullish flag pattern now. Slowly the sentiment is turning to bullish flag pattern, but that's okay. We have got a decent stop loss for the trade. Altcoins, I don't even look at altcoins. Only BTC, Ethereum, Solana, that's it. Those three only we have nice opportunities to capture, so I don't think there is a point. See, ideally I was telling, right, I want to take the entry here. I placed my entry here. I got my entry little lower. What to do? Now at this zone, okay, breakout, retest, trend line support, again breakout. If people start thinking more liquidity at the bottom can be created, so maybe, hopefully, if it comes down, it will be a decent trade. Stop loss point. See, a reason for placing the stop loss is I expect market to correct after giving breakout. It should not move too much towards the upside, because too much if it moves, anyone who takes buy, they will make profit. So at this upper zone, if I enter, if this is the place where I think, okay, market can hunt the stop loss, how much stop loss can I give for this trade? As per my risk capacity. So I feel, okay, if the sellers who are here, even if market gives a breakout at this zone finally, here if it starts correcting also, I can be on a safer side. Okay, that is the logic. Ethereum dumped away too much. Mm. As of now, this correction, what has happened, this is close to 500 550 points, close to 600 points. If you think, okay, this trade is risky, anything like that, you want to exit, you exit, because I don't know if it gives a breakdown here, uh, this can convert to false breakdown. From here market can reverse. That possibility is there. My job is to tell you about what and all is the possibility. Based on that, what you want to decide, you can decide. Now I feel after market correcting so much, I need not keep bigger stop loss. Okay, because if it breaks this level, then upside movement can continue. Why I have to give bigger stop loss? No need. If it goes even lower, I'll trail my stop loss even lower. What is global market doing? So Nasdaq is down around 2%. S&P 1.6. It's kind of bearish, but they will trick people a bit. So up to this zone, traders, okay, move is fine. After this, you think, okay, you want to exit, means you exit. What I will do is I will reduce my stop loss. Maximum how much I can reduce the stop loss, I've reduced. Even after this market wants to take my stop loss, that's okay. From 500 points risk, I've got it to 350 points. Here only you want to exit, means it's up to you. It is not wrong if you exit now also. My entry was slightly below your level and bought down, and sell to cost. Okay. Just as a buffer more than my entry price, I've kept my stop loss. Okay. Slowly we are reducing the stop loss and also in going. Problem is, this held on to this range too long, right? Breakout, formed a flag pattern, attracted some put option traders also. From here, if it corrects again, it's a problem. That's why I said anyone wants to exit, you exit. How much correction market has done? Kind of respecting 382 level. 382 level, if it respects, it is not a good sign. Anyways, you can see this position. Okay. Market is respecting this 382 level. I've reduced my SL as much as possible in this trade. So still first trade, second trade, if I compare, it is kind of this one itself positive. We'll see. So in this around $17. So this market took the stop loss. I'll see. I'll analyze this chart. Anything interesting? This setup market hit the trailing stop loss. Okay, stop loss was here. So that got hit. Let me see. So first trade, okay, trailing stop loss hit. Second trade, again trailed stop loss, it got hit. Still not confident on bullish trade. First I want to see if market is surviving this area or not, right? So I'll mark off this range as of now. We'll see how market is reacting at this range. Based on that, I will decide. Now, if it corrects, what can I say? Little more, I will wait, traders. Let me see. If it's going up, let it go. Little upside, no problem. I'll see somewhere near after breaking this level, any correction we will get. This is where ideally the selling pressure started earlier. See, here it has attracted some people and it has moved towards the upside. This is the zone what I'm thinking about. Ideally, one more. Little confusion is there at this range. Will this breakout survive or not? For me, probability is it will not survive. But risk reward for the trade also I have to see, and certain level I have to look at. So I'll give it some time. What if I enter here? I'm not taking the next trade as of now. Just I'm looking if there is any opportunity for me. This zone. See, ideally, when market corrected like this, many people would have made profit already, right? Their stop loss hunting only is not available. If market is deciding, okay, I want to make an uptrend because this US market is kind of negative. I just want to create confusion, PTC and all these things. I'll push it towards the upside. That time randomly it is just moving. So there I don't want to get trapped. That's it. As much as I want to take a bearish trade here, risk reward I'm taking into consideration. So let's just mark the risk reward calculator and see. See, exactly it never broke the zone, right? Without breaking this zone only, from here only it has moved towards the upside, means still stop losses are available at the bottom. So is that another? I'm not sure exactly this is going to be the upper range or this one. So little waiting is required. What is your view, traders? What do you think? Where will the market move next, as per your understanding? I feel if I want to take bearish trade also, I will go above just to be on a safer side. From the upside, I will consider, not yet. Market moves to the upside. From there, I might consider a bearish trade. Now something fishy is going on. Market can move up. Yeah, that little possibility is there. That is why I'm not entering the next trade. Slowly it is attracting some buyers, giving them confidence on the bullish side. So this is not the right place for me to take a bearish trade. That's why entry I planned somewhere here or when market reaches this zone. So this one is how much movement? 600 points, 200 points. Little I will wait, traders, as long as market moves towards the upside, because here it is forming M pattern. Here it can trap and start moving towards the upside. Ranjit Babu sir, you say from 97,000. Okay. Someone else also said 97,000. What is there in 97,000? I'm not able to understand. You're saying from 97,000 market will correct. Okay. But what is the logic? Why 97,000? Can anyone tell me? Whoever said market will correct from 97,000? Sir, if only one ad will come, if you're repeatedly going out of the live stream and again if you're entering, that is when you will get the ads again. So see if you can, reduce the amount of times you're going out of the channel and coming back. If you want, you use Brave browser or something like that. Many people do that, right? You don't get ads. Global market is kind of negative only still. BTC sim, if they're taking it up, let them take. Maybe I'll do one more attempt on the top side. Fibonacci level 618 level resistance. From where? There's a recent swing high, swing low. So from here only market started correcting. So if you say 618 level of Fibonacci, what? As per this, 618 level is here. So for me, that level is not making sense. Okay, maybe as per your view, maybe you might have a plan. Can we take trade in mobile using Delta Exchange? Is it comfortable? Yeah, you can take trades in this one. But usually what I prefer is first to do analysis on a bigger screen, mark all your important levels. Once you're happy with that, once you're comfortable with the levels, later maybe you can decide, okay, we will you know, placing your stop loss target and all. You once you take the entry, maybe the the view you can sit and look on the mobile phone. All this up move, I just feel it is kind of attraction, so we will see. What about others? Some people are saying their view is bullish until 97,000. I am thinking little higher than that. If market reaches this zone, and here if it is showing any bearishness, this is where I'm planning for a bearish trade. And the current zone, you see here attraction. So it becomes very easy for people to enter at the upper level. So later it can move towards the downside. Ideally, this is the plan. We'll see. If market is just randomly moving towards the upside, no, I'm not having that interest to go for a bullish trade today. Because you see this breakout, after that buyers were not strong, right? It is creating, like I told you, at this zone, if you want, you exit. If you want the bearish trade, if you have exited, okay, or if you're trailed also, okay. But from here, maybe close to cost, the market took the stop loss. Here it gave breakout, attracted people. One more breakout, attraction. Here one more breakout, more attraction towards the buy side. It gives confidence for like this only. If the market keeps going, everyone will ideally make profit. So little liquidity is getting created is what I believe. One strong confirmation on the bearish side when I get, maybe I will focus on that. We'll wait. Around 77 people are watching the live stream. 797 200 97 600 from here market may correct from my view, sir. Yeah, that is what, 97 200, somewhere at this range or little higher market can correct. Timing is the problem. Retesting the flag pattern. It's held on to this range for a longer duration, so I don't want to take any bearish trade right now at this point of time. We will see. One more breakout. Later I get any bearish trade, I will take. You are expecting correction from now only. Okay. See here, breakout, removed weak players, breakout. Again from here it is attracting people. So again if it moves up, that possibility is there, right? That's why at this zone I'm not that comfortable. Directly if it had given a breakout closer to the zone, any correction means okay, I would have taken a bearish trade. But now this just become 20-30% success rate chance according to me. It can correct also, but according to me I will not enter any bearish trade right now. I'll wait for my zone. I don't know if market has decided to, you know, give a breakout here and fail. This zone is the most safest zone, I can say. 97,600 to 650 range. At this zone, any bearish setup, little more confidence I will have. Just in case, I will mark the zone and keep on the chart. We'll see, traders. So traders, here you can see one more breakout. This breakout, we'll see, traders. Initially, our scalping trade was here, but that's okay. Expectation was market will correct from that zone. So we kept very small SL for the trade. Let me see if any interesting setup is there on a 3 minutes time frame chart. Nothing interesting as of now. I'll wait for some time. So here at this zone, or this is the most safest zone, or at this zone, any bearishness, one breakout, 2, 3, fourth breakout. It's a risky trade only here, but if it moves, then decent risk reward I'll be getting for it. So now the stop loss for this trade is kind of, stop loss for this bearish trade is kind of decent. Nice liquidity also is formed at the bottom. Little reasonable price if I get, I can plan the entry. Still I have not taken this trade. Alright, so nicely it is attracting buyers. Let it attract. Here all these things are kind of two zones. This is the zone and this is the zone. Wherever it is suitable for me, maybe I'll be taking the last trade for the day there. This seems like a decent risk reward for the trade, but let me just analyze this for a while. At least up to the zone, if I give 1:2, bearish candle is not that strong here. Anyways, I'm looking at 1 minute time frame, so entry to a certain extent we might get it in a better way. We will see. Final area, market is coming very close. If it reaches this area, I feel that can be the safest trade on the bearish side. So I'll wait for that zone. Down 500 points here. We'll see traders a bit. Setup has to give us the confidence. If setup is not giving the confidence, then there is no problem in waiting, right? We have all the time to wait. Ideally, any bearishness in the market here, risk reward also is decent for the trade. So see here, market came to this zone. Previously this was the resistance. If market breaks this level also, little at the upper end, breakout will attract some people. So at this zone I'll be looking for any bearish trade. That will be the last attempt. Solana started rallying. Okay, so today Trump planning to call Canada PM. That's the that news market is positive. What if he calls Canada CM? This looks like a reasonable stop loss and good target also for the trade. Just one bearish confirmation if I get. Little I can see sellers are putting pressure here. So we'll hope the sellers will enter. If they show any signs of entry, something like that, then even I will take my entry. Alright. $47,008. Ideally we look for a range here, right? This is the range. This is the seller's pressure zone range. And now market, if it is holding on to this level, below this little, if it traps sellers or something like that, then I'll get into trouble. Actually market has made a very nice movement towards the upside itself. close to 2000 points. Our entry was somewhere here on the bullish side. I'll just move to 3 minutes time frame. See on the top side, here, all the breakouts has hunted the stop loss. So little any confidence on the put option side, maybe after this breakout also can plan. Continuously, if it moves, where to take entry? Sellers should show confidence, right? Someone said 97,000, market went off to 98,000 only. Till sellers are showing pressure here. Only reason is this breakout. If breakout fails little more, it would be better. Now some of you might be thinking, okay, sir, is just or I'm just taking the stop loss higher and going, but still we have not taken entry because it doesn't it's not showing proper attraction interest from sellers, right? At some point of time, buyers have to become overconfident for sellers to enter and hunt their stop loss. That's the only thing. If that is not happening, why do I take random trade? After doing all the study, then if I'm taking the trade, no problem. So here little pressure I'm able to see. 1 minute trade. Okay. If I miss this, little difficult it will be for me to get the opportunity. So I'll reduce my stop loss for this trade. Okay. And I've taken the entry. If you're worried about the trade, maybe you can avoid. Why I'm saying if you want, you can avoid is because this breakout was there, right? This breakout, if market had failed, confidence would have been very much high. But near that breakout only market is correcting means little problem can be there. So what we will do, in case the continuation happens in the market, we'll trail and go off the stop loss because market has not given breakout and attracted more people, right? US market is flying up. Okay. See, this is a reasonable stop loss for my trade. Okay. The first trade trailing stop loss we gave, there we got around $24-25. Second trade, that profit what we made around $18-19 is what was the risk from the profit. So still appetite is there for the day. So based on that, I've taken this last trade. If market survive this zone, gives a movement, okay. So I'll try to capture that. At some point of time, if it shows too much buying pressure again in the market, then I will not compete. Because news, all those things, if market is moving, that is not important. Based on price action, stop loss hunting, what is the logic for market to fall or move up? Only that is what I can focus on. Because news today it will come, tomorrow there will not be any news. How can I trade based on news? To a certain extent, little about the sentiment we can get a idea about. But someone was saying Trump is going to speak about Canada tax, all those things. But I don't know how is it going to affect the US market. Why is that a positive thing? If I go through the news or something like that, I will get a better idea of what it is. BTC buying mode in intraday. Okay, we will see. Saranya Ganeshan, madam. Hello, welcome to the live stream. Here, without giving a breakout only, market has corrected, but I've taken the opportunity here. So I said, "Oh, if you're not interested to take a bearish trade, no problem, you can avoid. But if you're taken a bearish trade, no need to give bigger stop loss for the trade. Just reduce it, because here, if this is just an attraction, and then later market again, if it moves up, bigger stop loss giving doesn't make sense, right? So we will just reduce our stop loss for the trade, keep reducing the risk as and when market keeps moving lower. Unknowingly, I have not taken this entry, missed it. Unknowingly, I have taken bullish trade, that's why. Okay, next time be a bit careful, sir. Yes, sir, it may be pump and dump using this news, sir. They may discuss about tariff. It can be. Of course, the main discussion which is going to happen right now is the tariff only. But exactly here, it has come down. So before touching this level only, if it has come down, okay, to a certain extent. But if it had given a breakout and corrected, it would have been a better one for me. Anyways, setup I've taken, risk is taken care of. Rest, I'll leave it to the market. So little this buyers, how they're putting pressure at the zone. They're just pumping in the market. If you see, if you see little zoom, if you zoom a bit and see, here they are trying to pump in the market. Action is happening, we will see. Nice action is happening in the market at this zone, right? Market is trying to form a M pattern. M pattern is not the problem. Before giving a breakout, market has corrected. That is the problem for me. Now, after such a big rally in the market, what is the view of others? Is my market going to correct here, or again they're going to pump and push the market towards the upside? What is your view? It would be better if you explain with logic also. If it is moving down, what can be the reason? Moving up, what can be the reason as per your point of view? It can be anything. It will come down, I think. Okay, we'll see. Hopefully we will wait. Not expecting very big target here. If it comes up to this zone also, it's a decent move. Come down to hunt the stop loss at the bottom. Too much at the bottom if it goes, okay, but here maybe if it comes to remove all the random buyers at this zone and correct it up to this zone, that would be more than sufficient. By then we would have got off our stop loss here. Early morning nice liquidity, of course, yes. I mean, previously nice correction has happened in the market, but people at the upper zone, to a certain extent, they're kind of safe itself. I don't think market can make a very big move towards the upside. But if it decides, okay, my plan is to hunt the people stop loss who's at this zone, right? I don't think people are still there. That is what I feel. But for some reason, odd reason, if it starts moving towards the upside, this can be the next area of correction. But 2 times, 3 times, I've already waited during this live stream. If I don't take this opportunity, again, one more opportunity, I can't wait until the market goes up to that zone. So this seemed like a decent entry for me. What about others? What do you think? Is market going to correct from here or move towards the upside? Crypto is highly manipulative and news sensitive, hence it would instantly react to any news. Yeah, why it will react mainly is because safer assets like gold and all those things, in that to a certain extent people will have that mindset to hold. But when it comes to crypto, still people's mindset is crypto is not that safe compared to gold or even stocks for that matter. Many people investment in crypto will ideally be a small chunk, right? 10%, 20%. In the current market condition, more people preference will be to have gold, because that is more as a, they will consider as a protection or a hedge for them compared to crypto. So any news, let it be negative, So crypto will react volatilely. Volatility in crypto will be there, and when there is boom and all those things, when everyone is buying and continuously crypto starts moving towards the upside, everyone want to participate in the rally. So that's how. Kausalya upside movement is possible. One more flag pattern market is forming here, consolidating within a range. So this breakout, it might attract again some more buyers in the market. Market is holding the range, so chance of moving up is high. Okay. Trade taken today, until when we can hold? I usually prefer to close the trade on the same day itself. I don't want to take the overnight risk, because sometimes manually, if I've not exited the trade or something like that, I'll be able to do that if I'm observing the market. When I'm asleep, if anything happens, what to do? Okay, so here the market has taken the stop loss. Since my view is bearish, stop loss hunting done, expectation is market will correct, but new space, whatever it is, if it is moving towards the upside because of FOMO or whatsoever, then price action stop loss hunting is to a certain extent not working that much. So ideally, now my next plan will be maybe at this upper range, final reversal, but that I'll not be planning right now, maybe later point of day. I'll give it some more time, because already two trades are done. So one more trade if I have to take or not, I will think about it and then I will plan, right? So live stream was more than 1.2 hours. So to a certain extent, if market is not going as per the direction, it is better to limit the amount of trades that we take a break from the market, give it some time, then with a fresh mindset I will analyze. If it is just news based momentum, of course I'm not going to plan any trade for today in this. Rather, focus will be more on waiting for price action, stop loss hunting opportunity, and then plan. Okay, so that's about today. One correct stop loss I have taken, little I had trailed, I give that stop loss. One more trade, first trade, whatever profit I made, that got managed there. So to a certain extent, trade has happened as per my risk capacity itself. I have bandwidth for one more trade, because first trade scalping we got some profits. So we'll see, will not hurry for the next trade. And this upside move, what is happening in the market, can I enter if you ask? Definitely my answer would be no, because there is, as per price action trade psychology, this is not how it is supposed to move. But news based momentum, definitely price action stop loss hunting will not work. So my expectation is wait for better bearish opportunities in the market. So that is something you can try to focus on and try to capture if you are interested in trading based on price action and stop loss hunting. If you're just trying to capture the move, you want to try your luck, that's up to you. I'm not going to participate in those kind of trades. All right. Okay, traders. I'll take a break. Any further details, whatever is there, I'll update in the crypto community group if I find next important levels in the chart. So if you're not a part of a crypto community group, you can do that by opening account with Delta Exchange. After that, reach out to my team on this number and they will guide you. All right. Thanks for participating. Have a good day. Bye bye.